Your Frenchie snoring isn't just cute, it's their flat face anatomy. Those adorable smushed features create narrow airways, making snoring totally normal for the breed. But watch for these red flags: excessive drooling, blue gums, or struggling to breathe while awake. These signal serious airway issues needing vet attention. At Elite Frenchies, we help families understand their pups' unique needs. Most snoring? Perfectly normal bulldog life. Difficulty breathing during play or rest? Time for a professional checkup.